Hey, little artists! Welcome or welcome back. How are you? This is Archie Art. Let's go and draw a family together and listen to their story. This is the story of the Smith family. They are a happy family of 5. Mom, Dad, Lily, Charlie, and their dog Lola. They live in a cozy house with a big backyard. One day, they decided to go on a picnic in a park. They packed some fruits, sandwiches, cookies, and juice. They also brought a ball, a kite, and a frisbee. They put everything in their car and drove to the park. The park was full of flowers, trees, and birds. The Smith family found a nice spot under a big oak tree. They put a blanket on the grass and enjoyed their picnic. They ate their sandwiches, fruits, cookies, and drank juice. And of course, they shared some with their dog Lola, who wagged her tail happily. After they finished eating and drinking, they played some games. Lily and Charlie threw the frisbee to each other, while Lola chased it. Mom and Dad flew the kite in the sky, while Lily and Charlie watched it. They also kicked the ball around, and Lola tried to catch it. They had a lot of fun in the park. They laughed, ran, and jumped. They felt the sun on their faces, the wind in their hair, and the grass under their feet. They hugged and kissed each other and thanked Lola for being their best friend. They stayed in the park until the sun started to set. They packed their things and drove back home. They were tired but happy. They had a wonderful day together as a family. Now it's my turn to listen to you while drawing. Tell me a story. Or maybe you can tell me, have you ever been in a park or on a picnic that you have a lot of fun there? What games did you play? Did you take a ball, a kite, and a frisbee like Smith's family? Or maybe did you pack some sandwiches, fruits, cookies, and juice? Did you have a lot of fun? for watching and listening. Bye!